Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're all in quarantine because of the coronavirus, and someone asked me a great question on Instagram.
Sir, in quarantine, sir, what does detailer do, sir? We can't go out, no customer coming, we can't do anything, sir. So, how detailer work from home, sir? Please tell me, sir.
Good question. You are a good question. But your question hurt me.
So I thought for such people and for such questions, I will make a viral video. You are about to see how. Because I am the first detailer who's going to work from home during this lockdown. Anyways, you're about to see how. Okay, so since my studio is locked up, let's just get all the stuff from home and start detailing because my customer's car is going to be here any moment. Let's go.
वाह सर, you're so smart. अब कितना बोल दिया, आप दिखाओ भी सर वायरल वीडियो क्या है बतलाइए.
Our car has arrived at the studio. If we look at the paint, it's very rough, and this car definitely needs some cleaning. And if we talk about the interior, I have no idea who drives such a dirty car. Let's first take this in for a decontamination wash. So we first start off with a decontamination wash to get the paint completely rid of any contaminants. And now for the decontamination wash, we use some extremely expensive Dettol decontamination soap because Corona. As you can see, the car is completely getting decontaminated and free from any virus. Car is nicely washed. We will get the car in for drying. So now we're going to start cleaning up the car and basically get the water off the paint. So we use the waste that we got from the washroom. So now the next thing that we do is we interior detail our car as well, because the interior also needs some decontamination. So we use some untouched, unused earbuds. Wow, that's a lot of muck. And we're done with the entire interior cleaning process. Okay, so in the next stage, we're going to be using a little applicator wax for that lovely shine on this Mustang and our applicator pad, which was taken from the kitchen. So let's start. And now that we're done with the wax application, we're going to allow it to settle down into the paint so it can get absorbed before we really buff it off the paint.
2 very boring minutes later.
We are now going to buff it off the paint. Post wiping off the wax and decontamination wash, our car looks brilliant. For one of the last things that is left, we need an application of some wax. And as you can see, we're finally done with our beautifully detailed Mustang with our tire wax, with our paint. It looks amazing.
Wow, sir, you best detailer, sir. Sir, you teach us how to detail from home. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very good. Keep up the work. Follow Cranky Detailing and share, like, and subscribe.
So guys, I guess he's already told you what has to be done.
Sorry, sir.
Idiot ho, tum gadhe ho.
हम जरा देख के वीडियो एक्साइटेड हो गए सर. Sorry.
And if you love this video, stay tuned for more such content. And I hope you like this video. It was something I just wanted to do. I've been thinking about it for a while. So see you again soon in another video. See ya.